Neon leaks on a one-room night. Ash hangs red on the edge of light. I hold my breath till the echoes then hear a younger me whisper, where have you been? Cars leap cold by a rusted fan. Clock ticks slow like a funeral band. I face the mirror that won't come clean. Am I still a man or a fear-built machine? I count heartbeat like hoofbeats near without chaos till the road turns clear. I read the room by the weight of air. Choose my truths by the eyes that stare. I am the man, not the machine. Fire in my chest, not gasoline. If fear draws a map, I'll burn that scene. I am the man, not the machine. I am the man, not the machine. I am the man, not the machine. Curls through like a snake or down. Truth taps time like a church bell's route. I don't rush fate when the knives look bright. I tame the storm by holding tight. One half of me wants to sit at a kneel. The other wants dirt and an honest feel. I taste the edge where the lines get mean. Do I chase a throne or the boy I've been? My shadow try to take the wheel, but a steady hand makes thunder near. I am the man, not the machine. Fire in my chest, not gasoline. If it writes the script, I cut the scene. I am the man, not the machine. I am the man, machine. I am the man, not the machine. I built tall walls with a crown of pride, iron doors where I was meant to hide. Power's a fortress with a lonely throne. I drop that key and I walk back home. If blood's a compass, it spins on lies. Respect's a nod in a stranger's eyes. I'd rather earn it than reign obscene. Let rust turn rhythm and break those chains clean. I am the man, not the machine. Fire in my chest, not gasoline. I choose the road where my soul runs clean. I am the man, not the machine. I am the man, not the machine. I am the man, not the machine. Build me a fortress out of deals and dust. Iron gates smile, hinges caked in rust. Foes keep distance when my shadow falls. Power made walls where there should be halls. I wear the silence like a well-cut suit, keys on a chain and blood on the boot. I sit on the throne that I nailed in place, can't tell if I rule or I'm locked in this space. I read a room by the breath it spares, count every heartbeat, away every stare. I test each lock that I forged in me, if it won't turn easy, I set it free. I hold the power, power don't hold me. I hold the power, power don't hold me. If fear writes laws on a cold stone key, I hold the power, power don't hold me. Power don't hold me. Power don't hold me. Raising stakes in a split loud doors, watch Iron Man turn back to boys. Crown on the table, mirror on the wall, king in the glass don't feel like me at all. I lock my heart like a strong box shut, gold turn gravel, glory turn gut. A city might kneel for the man they see, but I trade that city for a field set free. I taste the chain where the praise should be, a steady hand says cut it clean. I hold the power, power don't hold me. I hold the power, power don't hold me. If fear draws maps of who I'll be, I hold the power, power don't hold me. Power don't hold me. Thrones turn cages when the room won't breathe. Respect ain't fear in a velvet sleeve, so I drop those keys on the marble floor, let the echo run like a church house roar. I wear my name like a working coat, trade stone for road and a freer throat. I hold the power, power don't hold me. I hold the power, power don't hold me. If walls grow tall and the truth grows lean, I break that crown for the man I mean. I hold the power, power don't hold me. Power don't hold me. Neon leaks down a nameless street, ash on my lip, boots counting heat. Every drop I spill never drove me back, it honed my thirst like a whetstone track. Not for money, not for name and lights, I chase the second between death and life. One quiet nod turns a right to bone, I drink that edge, I drink it alone. Step by step I read the pulses by the weight of air, count out the fear till the room stands bare. I want the pulse, not the throne. I want the pulse, not the throne. If life's a blade, I walk it alone. I want the pulse, not the throne. It's not the throne. It's not the throne. The split inside, a younger voice scratches in my skull. You still a man or a fear-built hull? Half of me wants the city to kneel, half of me wants the dirt field real. I swear I need no hand to guide. Truth is I hunt that look in the eye, not fame, not dread, just earn respect. A silent nod that says I connect. A close as a chain, let it turn to dust. Respect is a knot I can learn to trust. I want the pulse, not the throne. I want the pulse, not the throne. Where breath meets blade, I make my home. pole's not the throne. Hiding reality. Build me a fortress out of blood and names, iron bar windows, velvet lined shame. People step back when my shadow grew. Power made distance, not something true. Kings get taller when the room looks small. Crowns weigh heavy when there's no one at all. My thirst stayed sharp through the gilded stone and kept asking, do you feel alive or just on the turn? So I set down keys on the marble floor, let the echo run like a church house roar. Power's a cage when the heart can't breathe. I tear the map and I choose to leave. Not after crowns, not headlines, not gold. I want the moment my veins turn bold. Where's over? I want the pulse, not the throne. I want the pulse, not the throne. Wind, breath, and blade is where I'm grown. I want the pulse, not the throne. I want the pulse, I want the pulse, not the throne. Smoke sits heavy in a one-lamp room. I count his breaths like ticks of doom. I sip the quiet till the noise go numb. Read every twitch like a drummer's thumb. Not chasing money, not chasing a name. I chase the second where life meets flame. I don't lift steel to make men run. I raise my pulse, then the room is done. Step by step, I weigh the air, I watch the eyes. I set the tempo where the panic dies. Stillness is my loaded gun. Stillness is my loaded gun. I don't need thunder to make you run. Stillness is my loaded gun. Stillness is my loaded gun. Stillness is my loaded gun. I don't need thunder to make you run. Stillness is my loaded gun. Patience wide like a violin string. I tune the chaos till the colors sing. I watch his heartbeat rise in his throat. Let silence tighten like a noose of smoke. I am no storm that blows things wide. I'm the quiet latch on the killing side. One glance down and the bravest choke. My calm draws circles the barrel can't poke. Closer to the nerve, I wait the fear to speak first, then I move 1 inch, and I own the men. Stillness is my loaded gun. Stillness is my loaded gun. I don't need thunder to make you run. Stillness is my loaded gun. Stillness is my loaded gun. Stillness is my loaded gun. I don't need thunder to make you run. Stillness is my loaded gun. build a throne out of fear and bone. Sat like a king in a room of stone. Power can chain the very one who won. Calm turns prison if you face no sun. So here's my vow in a smoke-stained tongue. I own the quiet, won't be owned by one. Stillness is my loaded gun. Where I want, stillness is my Lord.